How to fix Chick-fil-A app not working. In order for you to fix this issue, start by heading over to the App Store on your device. In the source bar, search for Chick-fil-A app. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, all you gotta do is click on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version of the app, now the next thing you wanna try doing is move into the settings of a device, head over to general, and then move into iPhone storage. In here, search for the application Chick-fil-A, and then move into it. Now click on offload app, and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing in this app. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.